Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and to be honest, in order to check whether you've got the updates pending, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. It's totally up to you. However, if you will decide to download the update, I highly recommend to switch to the Wi-Fi so you can avoid some additional charges from your carrier. Basically, the files which are connected with the updates are pretty large, and it is, I would say, costly to download them using the mobile data. So remember to switch to the Wi-Fi. Now all we have to do is to enter the settings. So let's tap on them. And here we have to tap on About Phone. Let's tap. Now let's simply tap on the Xiaomi HyperOS. And now your device will check for the updates. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. That was the first one, where the device is up to date and there's nothing to download. We had the relevant information. It said that there are no updates available. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.